Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to share with you the sweet delights of Michigan's cherry season this 2024. As the sun brightens and the days grow longer, there's a special buzz in the air, especially around northern Michigan. Yes, it's cherry season, and let me tell you, it's not just about the cherries. It's an entire, vibrant experience. Dubbed as the cherry capital of the world, Traverse City is where you want to be. With its fertile soil, ideal climate, and the cool breezes from the Great Lakes, it's a cherry paradise. And this year, from mid-June to mid-August, the orchards are ripe and ready for your visit. Now, if you're planning to dive into the You-Pick Cherry experience, here's a little guide on where to go. Traverse Bay Farms in Elk Rapids and Bellaire offers a free printed map of local cherry farms. Stop in and grab your printed copy. Each cherry orchard offers a unique charm with a promise of juicy, plump cherries ready for picking. Before you head out, here are a few quick tips. Always check the weather, call ahead to confirm picking schedules, dress comfortably, and yes, bring your own containers to load up those delicious cherries. And while you're savoring the fresh cherries, remember you're not just enjoying a tasty fruit, you're soaking in health benefits. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, cherries are a powerhouse. Whether it's a cherry pie, fresh cherry jam, or a cool cherry smoothie, the possibilities are endless. So why wait? Gather your family, pack your bags, and set off for an unforgettable adventure in Michigan's cherry orchards. It's more than just picking cherries. It's about creating memories that last a lifetime. See you in the orchards of Michigan this cherry season of 2024.